Ontario's academic and research strengths were key to attracting IBM's cloud computing-based research network to this province. Ontario accounts for 65% of the information and communication sector research and development in Canada, and more than 270,000 workers in this sector in Ontario. So we value a project like this one, a project that ensures that the skills needed for developing new generation ICT products and services are cultivated here in this province. And the project that creates good jobs for the people of this province, more than 200 new jobs so far. I am amazed at the number of research projects launched in the past 12 months. Information technology, health and urban infrastructure, like water and energy. These are critically important to our economy, to our communities, and to our province. I commend all of the researchers who are working to find imaginative ways to address these challenges.
Trying to deal with an incredibly complex system, a system of systems. In this case, we're interested in the city itself, the urban region. And what this project is all about is the ILUT software integrated land use transportation environment modeling system. Is something we've been working on at the University of Toronto for about 15 years now. And the idea is to build a virtual city, be able to simulate the spatial, socioeconomic processes that go on in cities, that shape cities, and to capture their evolution so that we can understand the processes driving the cities so that we can design them better. And the basic proposition is that just like a jet engine, or just like any technology, cities are subject to design. We have to understand the complex processes driving cities if we are in fact to design them. We talk a lot these days about smart cities. Often that tends to imply collecting lots of data and sort of real-time control of the cities, which is very, very important. What we're interested in here in this project is building tools that allow us to have smart design of cities. So we're interested in 10, 20, 30, 40-year outlooks of the city, because that's the time frame over which cities have built and evolved, and trying to give us the tools so we can explore what-if questions about the city. And so again, we're trying to bring the city into the computer so we can experiment with it, learn about it, and find those paths into the future that will get us to a sustainable city that we're all seeking for. I often say that what we're trying to do is build SimCity for real, and that's of course not that easy to do. It's one thing to build a game that looks plausible, and that's all SimCity has to do. Here, we've got to get it right, and that's a bit more of a challenge.
Back on April 10th, just a year ago in 2002, we gathered at the University of Toronto's Hart House to announce the launch of the SOSCIP consortium. We also announced the opening of the IBM Canada R&D Centre. At that event, IBM made a commitment to invest $175 million to create 145 jobs in Ontario. As you have heard, we have made tremendous advances in our first year of the SOSCIP collaboration, and IBM considers it a great privilege to be part of this initiative. Let me make a few comments regarding our progress in the R&D Centre. First, IBM Canada Research and Development Centre was created as a focal point and a first for IBM research in Canada. This is the first time we have absolute IBM research here in the country, further propelling innovation to accelerate Canada's productivity over the past year. As Minister Moretti had said, he's already mentioned here, we are now, instead of 145 jobs in our commitment, over 200 highly skilled researchers and developers have been hired. These investments are all part of IBM's commitment to innovation in Ontario and across the country. In total, we've invested $160 million in our first year, and we are confident we're going to meet our overall commitment of $175 million over the 3 years. These investments complement other Innovation Centre investments that IBM has made in the past year in Bromont, Quebec, and Halifax, Nova Scotia, with a common goal to fuel innovation and to create new Canadian jobs.